Kublai pi baro gini gilong ki kubor bam tagasni. Ka jingja ahala pangap khapun Meghalaya bad Assam. Ka bahab haka constituency nartiang ka bagi pat bendriu karbi ki pelong ka jingtung dieng kat bagi pat khasip nar kiladon jingelum pat ba kalane shipor. Henry kiladon haka jingkulumar ka balami hathan khaput hala pangap West Jantu Hills. Kumtau Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP Walang bat ke Director General of Police DGP ke Kong Ida Shishan Nongrang. Kilai kenduk lang bat usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau uba pet ikatanat kampo yeng. Uba Preston Tensong ha ke Sni Baar. Ban yekran sani bha halor ke Jingkulmar kabalami hathan khaput halapang up West Jantu Hills. Habami na ke Jingelang Chief Secretary bat ke DGP Kim Shimnatre ban kren AA Shakilat Pathai Khubor. Ha ka bakilami shongshit kam ai jingkren halor ka jingelang ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka tay kathan khapun. Don bok kilat pathai khubor kilayo bani kendu yaw MDA spokesperson bat menteri sorkar uba pol lingdo ulo ong ba ka sorkar ka kloy ban shimkya ban pinbet kloy ya ka issue khaput kabalanang Houston. Ngila pentip sya ka district administration ka West Karbi Anglong ban yutray lang bat ru ban pentri kam ya kilat ban khanglan ya kinu-kinu ki jingkulmar. Ngiru nginbu ki bor pahara bakirpang ban pet ngor bhaya ka jingya jong ki jingjia ulaong. Ka jingyalang kalalong hadin ka jingjia ha ka steps ni balang ha ka bakipat ba na lapang up bat kishnong ba marjan. Ringkat ka jingya trailang jong ki katu kat ni kiseng balang kilalit ban pinpra ya ki jakat hungding bat ki temporary structure ki balatay da ka sorkar Assam ha ka jaka khadar kaba ka jilla Meghalaya ka kamkum ka jongka. Superintendent of Police West Jantu Hills uba Champang Sirti ulayathu ba ka jingyat pat ba aklajia hadin ba ki temporary structure ba ki jingtung ding kilasdang ban mi hakathan khapun kabla penmi ka jingyarap pat ba. Uloong baladon ka jingya trailang hapning ki bor Sunshar district jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam ban khanglat e ka jingkulmar. Henry tangkata ka jingya lumpat ba kadang ni shipor. OSP ulapan pau ru kajing sokya halor kajing tip bagi karbi kila ban shim kabu ban penjulor ye ki penthor jengki penar ha thapan bat lapang am.
Most of the facts are not known to me at this point of time because I was in a series of meetings. But I can share with you that the Meghalaya Police has also stepped into the picture. We will intervene, ensure the safety and security of the residents of the affected areas, and I will also be meeting the Deputy CM in charge home to get further details and updates on it.
Pangab, is it in the discussion table?
There was a meeting taken by Deputy CM, Mr. Dhar, a couple of weeks back, so you will get details from him.
Otherwise, this is an area of difference?
I do not have that information with me. I will not know specifically the names of, because this involves a cluster of villages. So whether this particular village falls under area of defense or not, I am yet to.
So will you be suggesting a joint inspection by the concerned?
Since the Deputy CM in charge transport is also the chairman of the regional committee for West Jantu Hills, we will be the best person to respond to your queries.
But don't you think like Meghalaya government at least should register a protest with Assam for this incident because they started this entire thing today?
Absolutely. We will, because if you recall the meeting we had at the CM's level was very cordial, and as a follow-up to that, the Deputy CM who represents the West Jantu Hills sector of the disputed areas had also gone to the to meet his counterpart, the chairman of the regional committee from Assam. So I suggest that you also follow the matter up with him as chairman of the regional committee.
As we understand, I think this issue will not be resolved till the next elections in Assam.
That anybody can surmise one way or the other. But we will see full details from both the Deputy CMs, one who is in charge of home and the other who is the chairman of the regional committee for West. tentacles.
Well, like this indicates
Are aware as many as 5 villages have now been covered under what we call resolved areas, areas where differences have been resolved, and the announcement, formal announcement, will be made on Independence Day, meaning August 15, 2025. So before we reach August 15, we will maximize attempts to resolve this particular sector as well. Yeah. Okay.
thank you.